I'm Yashli from level 2.
I'm Yana from level 2.
I'm Yena from level 3.
I'm Athena from level 2.
And we are going to study and making projects.
Write a math or I had to walk home last night. There were no It's late.
Uy, basta ako tayo sa principal. Hindi ko ginanatubang ng principal. Ikaw, kuan? Ikaw Wednesday.
Oh, ikaw Wednesday.
Babasahan mo kanya. Kasi di ka bumasa kay ipapasa lang yapon pero uy, ang amo babasa dili
Teacher niya. Wear it not for Ninya.
Nandun sa dahil. Alam yung basta po among classmate ka basta dili ka pa bumasa kay ato na sir din po.
Hey, di ba head mo na sa kuwan? Head mo na sa grade 6?
Mo-post ra ba na basta di ka kabaumbas mo.
Kasi mo po.
Ilang i-post dito sa GC. Picturean. It's late. Must go now. It's late. I had to go now. It's late. I must go now. I don't usually work on Saturday, but last Saturday I had to work. I must work.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the self-study students and we are going to introduce ourselves.
My name is Aryan from Group 2.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Jada from Group 2.
And we are going to study and making projects. Ako na topic si Sai.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are going to introduce ourselves.
My name is Janie.
My name is Nilji.
My name is Angel.
And we are going to memorize the story about the verse lessons. One sunny day, two best friends named Jack and Tom. While walking,
Uy, napumantay in a journey.
One, two, three, go. One sunny day, two best friends named Jack and Tom on a journey through the forest. While walking, they saw a big bird coming towards them.
Two best friends were both best friends were very scared. Jack, Tom, Tom fell sad. Jack fell sad. Ay, di mo na. Bakalo. While looking, they saw a big bird. They both best friends were very scared. Jack jumped and climbed. And Tom climbed that tree and Tom jumped and climbed a tall tree to hide. Jack was felt sad. Jack was felt that sad.
Hello everyone. So today we're going to study using the advanced grammar English. Where are you? Are you at the Atlantic? Sukuan. United States. United States is a country in North Europe. Pacific. The Pacific is a river in South America. Let's see where. Is the largest country in the world. Asia is the largest ocean. Pacific South Africa. So kanang river in South America, Red Sea. Kanang one. Since they already correct, right, okay. We want to see if they are. Have you ever been to China? Okay. Have you ever been to Philippines? Okay. Have you been to South of France? Have you South of France? South of France. Okay. Okay ka naman kung okay. Ba't ano okay ba?
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. I'm Yara from level 3 and today I am going to study for my semi-final exam. Kamamayan ay pre-sales ng isang order ng Athens. Pagiging citizen isang pribilehiyong may kalakip na karapatan at tungkulin. May kalakip na karapatan. Ang iisip ng mga citizens ay hindi lamang pansarili kundi na rin ang kalagayan ng estado. Ang citizens o mamamayan ay inaasahang makikilahok sa mga gawain may kaugnayan sa estado tulad ng pampublikong asembleya at paglilitis. Pang-politika, husgado, isyong pang-ekonomiya, pang-industriya at iba pa. Ayon kay Heaven 1981, ang citizenship ay ugnayan ng isang individual sa kanyang bansa o estado. Ito ay tungkol sa isang individual o membro ng isang bansa kung saan ay ginagawaran ng karapatan at tungkulin para sa kanyang bansa at kababayan. Para natin masabing tunay ng mamayan ng ating bansa ang isang individual. Tunghayan natin kung sino-sino ang maituring ng mamayan ng estado at mga matatamasang karapatan at mga tungkuling kailangan nilang gampanan. Ang citizen ng mamayan ay inasahang makilahok sa gawang gawain may kaugnay ng estado, ang publikong asembleya at paglilitis, ang publikong asembleya at paglilitis, Politika, husgado, syong ekonomiya,